all of a sudden, out of nowhere in the dream, the sky started changing beautiful colors. Colors I can't even imagine, that I can't really describe to you, but the sky started changing colors. And that's when I heard the shofar, when I heard the very loud trumpet blast. All right, and as the trumpet blast sounded first, and then it got louder, 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 and the sky started changing color, more and more colors. Then the dream ended. We were looking up when the trumpet was sounding. That's when we were looking up and we were trying to figure out what was going on. All right, that was the first dream. So I woke up and I was kind of like, what in the world was that? Anyways, I fall back asleep. I have the same exact dream, literally to the T of the first dream I just had. Again, we're throwing the ball for the dog in the yard. My dad's out there and one of my sisters. It's a nice day. The sky starts changing colors. Again, colors I can't even describe to you how.